The Trail Rated 4x4 badge. It doesn't come easy. Hi, I'm Tammy, and this is Jeep Life with Jeep Momma. This is Jeep's Trail Rated 4x4 badge. This badge is not just given to a Jeep brand vehicle, it's earned. Let's take a look at the meaning behind the Trail Rated badge and how each Jeep earns the badge. The Jeep brand is like no other out there. Jeep's core values are freedom, adventure, authenticity, and passion. As Jeep owners throughout history, we have learned go anywhere, do anything is more than just a slogan. For Jeepers, it's our way of life. I have embraced that way of life, and it has changed me. I have experienced amazing adventures, met some of the greatest people who are now my lifelong friends, and found my passion in all things Jeep. Those core values are a reflection of myself. It's a connection like no other. The Jeep brand has embodied those 4 core values into the DNA of every Jeep they make. The one thing that ties all those Jeeps together is the Trail Rated 4x4 badge. Sometimes people joke about this badge, and you need to realize it's not just a badge they stick on the Jeep. It's earned. Every Jeep vehicle with this Trail Rated 4x4 badge has succeeded against a series of grueling tests in 5 categories. Jeep says Trail Rated is a methodology, a guarantee, and a recognized standard for proven off-road capability that Jeep 4x4 vehicles must meet. Trail Rated is an industry-leading methodology initially established by the Nevada Automotive Test Center, NATC, and Jeep Engineering to objectively measure off-road performance for all Jeep vehicles. First, the testing begins at Jeep's U.S. headquarters, where the Jeeps endure the bitter, angry, cold weather in northern Michigan. Then it's out to some of the most challenging terrain on Earth, the Rubicon Trail. Located high in the Sierra Nevada mountains, the Rubicon Trail is 22 miles of incredibly rocky, grueling, beautiful landscape. It's a natural off-road adventure park populated by massive rocks and unforgiving boulders. There are consistent and reliable measurements of off-road performance that include a combination of natural and controlled field tests on demanding terrain, as well as computer-simulated evaluation tests. If a Jeep vehicle is affixed with the Trail Rated badge, you know it has passed the test in 5 performance categories. Traction. That tells you the vehicle is capable to conquer some of the toughest terrain in mud, sand, and on rocks. Water fording. Features additional electrical and body sealing along with high air intake to help you navigate streams and flooded underpasses. Maneuverability means that the Jeep is capable to navigate narrow gaps, dodge emergency situations, and avoid cosmetic damage thanks to precision steering and optimized wheelbases, which allow for expert navigation. Articulation means those trail-rated suspensions enhance off-road performance, maximizing flexibility, axle articulation, and wheel travel. Ground clearance. It's more than just the area under your Jeep when you drive over obstacles. It also includes approach, breakover, and departure angles to ensure the vehicle can clear logs, rocks, and uneven ground. Remember, the next time you see that Trail Rated 4x4 badge on your Jeep or other Jeeps, no, it's not just a badge. It's a lot more. Jeep says they don't make Jeep. We do. Revel in all things Jeep, that unstoppable spirit that makes our Jeep community and our Jeep experiences what it means to live the Jeep life.